Good. Some banging on shit. And climbing up here is, of course, the fun part.
Do you have the key on or anything yet?
No, but where's my one? I want to tighten up the battery post. I know last time it gave me a bit of an issue. I have at least 2 tight battery posts on. I don't think I have the wrenches in here.
They might be from last time.
They are. Well, looks like we can tighten them then. Put the glow plugs on here.
You're gonna have to crawl up there.
I know.
You can barely see your head sticking out over the top.
I was trying to avoid it. And get all sore from going up and down. I need new cables on here. On this one at least. I should just take them off the power stroke down there in the field.
Yeah, we can.
Because this one, I don't know, it's just, it ain't gonna work too well too much longer. I keep taking the shit on and off. I need another one.
Do you need the whole new cables or just ends?
I need the ends, but I don't, Buck has the tool we can make new ends with.
Ooh. Say hi.
Flower power doesn't have any suckle marks, so we're good.
Oh, good.
Oh! Almost ate shit.
I don't know if that's DOG or calico shit material over here.
Where?
Is that DOG or calico shit? Can't see the face.
I don't know what. That thing doesn't go in anymore. I haven't fixed this one before.
DOG calico shit's underneath the truck, climbing around.
I gotta get that. Huh?
It's DOG calico shit's under the truck there.
I need to fix that. This will fix it. This one's all kinds of messed up. As long as I don't break the top of the battery like I did to the last one. There, it's on. Okay. Oh, good. Probably gonna need starting fluid.
Maybe it's decent out today.
It's nice out. I might not need to, but.
That and it hasn't been that long since she ran, so.
Huh?
It hasn't been that long since she ran.
Should we cold start the backhoe?
I think we'd have to dig it out of the snowbank.
I don't know if you consider this a cold start. It's not even, it's like 50 degrees out finally. We're in gear yet. I don't think it'll start in gear very easily.
No, it will, but it'll kill forward.
There, now we're in.
Oh, jeez.
I forgot all about that. I'm standing in front of it trying to cross the cylinder. Yeah, but also, I don't have that high pressure oil pump filled up either. It's not primed.
Started last time without it.
Yeah, it was starting fluid.
Yeah.
I can get the starting fluid. It's right in the box truck here. I think we'll be be fine though. I got enough juice in the batteries. I think it'll be good. We're smoking already, so that's a good sign.
Yeah, she is coming out.
Should just replace that starter again. That stupid solenoid. That lasted, what, 3 starts when I replaced it last time?
Yeah.
Oh, close.
Sawyer's getting all excited.
Just so your butt likes
Oh,
this truck.
yeah. She's really starting to billow.
Yeah, we'll get her without starting fluid. I got water dripping from the bottom of my dash for some reason.
That's great.
I wish we had something to compare size with this truck.
Well, you're 6'2".
Yeah.
She's warming up.
There's smoke coming everywhere. You son of a... Doesn't sound very happy. I don't remember, well, we had a lot of starting fluid in it last time.
Yeah. She might have a little vapor issue. She might be having a little bit of a vapor issue.
Well, I think the truck has issues.
Should we go hit the pedal?
Turn the key on and off again. Son of a...
I can't reach the key. Well, maybe I can.
Got it? Oh my goodness. On and off again. Pump the shit out of the fucking pedal just for the hell of it.
Do you want me to wait till you start cranking?
You can try that too, yeah.
She is not happy.
It almost started. Whatever, have it your way. I'm gonna make you start. Well, I don't have this. Oh, I got a screwdriver, but it's the wrong one. You're not recording my ass, are you?
Yeah, I am.
Why?
Well, you're the one that turned. It only had part of your leg.
My air filter's drunk.
The puppies.
It's not like you left the key on, right?
Yeah, it's on.
It's not like we can run it without the air filter. It's something to do like shit. But since the air filter broke, I can just spray it in there without taking the air filter off now. It's cracked. Time for a new one. That shitty K&N or whatever the hell it is.
Huh?
You got the key on, right?
It wouldn't be turning over.
Yeah, it would.
The key is on. Yes, key is on.
Okay.
I don't know if I can crawl up here with Sawyer. So I don't know if I can crawl up here with Sawyer. Maybe.
You don't need to crawl up there.
Oh, make my life easier. angry.
Huh?
I said holy angry.
It is.
It's usually never this angry.
No. Not on a nice day. Just took a flow of starting fluid, that's all.
You want to grab this so I can get down? No. Slide down. She's crabby.
Yeah.
It only took 11 minutes. Only took 11 minutes. Let it warm up a bit. just digging. I know, I just said she's just digging.
All ice underneath. I don't get
Try to get off our trail. Try to get off the trail. See if it gets off the trail, if she'll actually kick sideways. She should. Hitting the whip. All right, he's gonna try to see if he can get a little more going this way.